Great home with yard and pool with spa in separate yard separated by wrought iron fence. Located on quiet, tree corner lot with plenty of room. 2 living areas plus a loft upstairs. Be where the kids are with all the bedrooms upstairs. Very spacious hall bath with double sinks and separate wet area. Spa-like master bath with skylights and a tub with separate shower. Great den with brick fireplace and gas logs with built-in cabinets and wet bar. The game room is off the breakfast area separated by an eating bar with great storage. Plantation shutters have been added as well as updated lighting and fans. Textured and painted walls. Crown molding. Cathedral ceiling in den. Wood laminate flooring with updated carpet, tile. Dramatic winding staircase with lots of windows throughout house. Tiled countertops and kitchen with white